Okay, so in this session, I'm going to focus more on the row storage and columnar storage. So basically, let us understand how the data is stored in rows and columns. Basically, if we see the screen, yeah. So here we understand how the row and columnar storage will be happening. In any database in the world, we will be basically having a row storage concept. Whereas in data warehousing technologies, we'll be using columnar storage. Now, what is row storage and what is columnar storage? Just imagine that there is a data, and this data is all about a customer, his country and product amount. These are the fields of the customer data. So these customer details have to be saved in a database table. Now, how would it be saved in a row storage? Is in a typical row storage, the entire row will be stored in a single location. So for example, let's say you have some, not just 4 fields, we have 400 fields in a particular row, and you are filling only 4 values. So remaining all the fee or all the columns or all the fields will be empty. Means it is consuming consuming the entire row. It is consuming the entire row, not just a single value. It is consuming the entire row. So that's the difference here. Now, what happens in columnar storages, it's going to store each field in a different column. For example, the customer is stored in different table, country is stored in different table, product is stored in different table, and amount is stored in different table. In that way, there'll be like optimization in the hardware, and it's easily compressible as well. So I repeat what I said. Let's imagine a data in which we have not just 4 fields like this, we'll have some 400 fields like this. And now imagine that you are entering only 4 records. The remaining are blank. So there is an empty space consumed for which memory is allocated. So a memory is allocated for the entire row, not just a single field. So that's what happens in row storage. But in columnar storage, it will be going to store the data